How to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to unfollow everyone on Instagram at one time. But before I do, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if I head over to my profile, you'll see that I'm following 150 different people. Now, if I don't want to follow everyone on this list, it would take me a lot of time to go through and individually click on each one, go to their profile and unfollow them, or just by pressing the following button next to their profile name. I'm only following 150 people on Instagram, but I know lots of people are following thousands of different accounts, so for them it would be even worse than me. So to unfollow everyone at once, first tap on your profile icon and head over to your profile, then tap on the menu button at the top right hand corner and then go to settings. Next, tap on help, and then on the next menu tap on report a problem, and here tap on report problem without shaking. So this will take you to a page where you can actually report a problem to Instagram, or you can send them a message. So you can send them something along the lines of, please unfollow all accounts following because there are too many, and send that to Instagram and they will unfollow all of the accounts for you. And that's what it takes to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.